Hello friends. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Baparai Engineers. Today we learn about wiring circuit of Dole starter. First we discuss about its power and control schematic drawing. In power circuit MCCB, contactor and overload relay are connected in series between main supply and motor. Series connection in control panel wiring video is also available on my YouTube channel. In control wiring stop button and overload relay NC point connected in series for breaking the circuit. Contactor NO point connected in parallel with start push button for holding purpose. Function of inching, holding, and interlock in control wiring video also available on my YouTube channel. Next move to its wiring. First connect power circuit with contactor relay and motor. Then start control wiring. In last make connection with on, off, and trip indicator. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe the channel, and press the bell icon for more technical updates.